Yo, first of all, I have to big up Kingston Grill. I'm have to big up Hugo upon him earth strong. Hugo, big up yourself. Alright. Your topic is do it. You wanna know why I've scored the top promoters in Chicago? You wanna know why? Alright, check it. I've squad party them shot. Not only them shot, we have 4 members. GQ, Local Hype, Black Hype, Prince Hype, and Local Hype. And you know why? We put time and effort now to party them. Hold on. And we party them shot. We party them at bread and butter. We look forward to them. You see what I say? We party them. Just look. Yo, me there a party and me a flyer. Everywhere me go, me a work. Because I'm a chicken, me a jerk. Alright, here we know. Me hear some people that go around and tell them Hype Squad flyer, R-Star flyer, Hugo flyer, everybody flyer. And I fuck with that. I'm not gonna say a fuckery, a big fuckery. Because you know why? Everybody work hard for them things. And people work hard for them things because we promote them party and we shut the thing on road. And the money will pay for the thing them. And nobody should not go out for them things like that. You see what I say? Alright. The people them need to know say yo, them need to stop telling the flare them and make reggae music, go on to Chicago and dancehall. Because a party we say from sun up to sundown. Yo, right now really and truly. Oh, me think I tell them flyer. IDK, I don't know. But you know what I can say? A bad mind people. Them don't want to see the party them shot. Or some little bumbo or some little pussy hole. I walk around because them bad mind. And them don't want to see the party them shot. But you know what the party them still go shot because look. A little Kingston Grill there, look. Party shot. Bumbo clad. Them can't stop. Party shot. Right now, we are there with the supporters them. And supporters, Hype Squad love on them. R-Star love on them. Jamden love on them. Kenan Production love on them. And you know what? If the supporters them want something, the promoters them have to give to them. Yo, the promoters them got on them. Hype Squad got on them. And I will say everything good. Supporters, if it wasn't for you, nothing no go on. Because the party them shot, and I only make the party shot. And Hype Squad would not be nothing without nobody. And I will say party shot.
Prince Hype, Richie Hype, the whole Hype, blood clot squad I got there. You see me? Everybody. I will say this, you know. I will say this. I'm not ask, you know, if about no blood clot, maybe I will say that.
Yeah, do it. Once a crazy love and respect goes out to everybody who come out tonight. Come support Hugo B. This way I talk about unity and love in the dance of Chicago. Everybody have a grand time. But go and burn the fire. Phantom come and do him thing. Love unity. Don't forget, purple and white next week, Saturday. Crazy love goes out to Hugo B. Show much people love the youth. The man restaurant fuck. They can't find place to walk. That way I talk about. That we in the dance, love and unity. Do it. Yeah, my brother for blood clot life. Who don't like it, fuck off.
Yeah, big up Kingston Grill. Big up Hugo upon your earth strong. Hugo, you're about what, 53 now? Or 63? The party shot. It was a good look. Hype Squad was here. Money Changer was here. D'Angelo King was here. Phantom was here. Mad Squad. The party was a good look. But you see next week, Saturday, April the 14th, R Road later, purple and white. Affair. And it's not an affair only. Yo, the party there, Nashim Innocent from Miami, Innocent Sound. Let me tell you about that party. You say Innocent Sound, Chicago, you come from Taylor Dave. I ain't build it. Shabba, I didn't build it. Party shot. You have to big up them money anywhere them there in the world. You see what I say? I just say it's set. When you say purple and white is not a regular party. Purple and white is a flossing party. So the man when you come out, I come buy them Joes. If a man buy a bottle of champagne, or a bottle of Hennessy, or a bottle of something, you want the man to drink a bottle. The ladies them, we have Nova phone, anything one want. Purple and white shot. And if you know say yo, it's a do white image, It a go on right now at Chicago. Everybody tune into it. DHQ, Do White Image. You think I shot. The TV there right now, sell off to the world.
Yo, like me I say, Chicago have the potential to do a lot of things with dancehall community, but one of the biggest problems we don't have a spot that is licensed as a dancehall spot. We can show some big dance until daylight and police can come lock it up. Think about it.
Don't me cut it. You know, the biggest problem is, again, the promoters them cannot come together. And we need to unite and make this thing happen. You see what I say? Talk the answer.
Real talk. Because if you think about it, Chicago is the second richest state in the United States of America. And why reggae music is not on top like everywhere else. The promoter them there to make it happen. People there to spend their money and we all want to come out and have a good time. But you find so we can't do it because we don't have a spot, but we own, like me say, license, PP license, the whole 9 yards to make it happen. Like when you saw a party tonight, everybody come out, Hugo Boss Birthday Party, it a shot, everybody will have vibes, it turn off by the police officers, which them do them job, we can't knock them and them think that. But that's the biggest problem in Chicago when it comes down to the dancehall scene. So, I don't know what it's going to work, but like me I said, people there for party and we have our money, and we want to come out and have a good time, but the environment a fuck with.
DH Image, big up yourself, you know, you don't know what to do right. You hear me I say? What me I talk about is, you know, is a fourth annual purple and white still, here. That's the next Saturday I come up. And take a shot, right? Me I talk. Hear me I say, first of all, one big up Father God. Then one big up Do White Image, because I ain't make the thing possible and I ain't make people see it done. Second of all, one big up Purple and White. The fourth annual Purple and White. The Hype Squad keep it. This Saturday, which is Saturday, April the 14th, 2010. Done. A Kingston Grill alone can share it with food. And I asked her with it. Hugo birthday night. And it's shot. That's what I say. Do White Image are the biggest and the baddest video man at Chicago. And if you know that, saying, and him put it to the world, so we have to say Do White. Straight. I still want to big up the party, you know, because I hit a shot next Saturday.
Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah.
A Hype Squad, you know. I mean, I tell you right now, Purple and White are the biggest, baddest dance nights for the spring, you know. I mean, I tell you about Prince Hype, my brother them, Stitchy Hype, Black Hype, Luke Hype, everything good, man. You see me? I'm tell you about promoting, you know what I'm saying, you know. Hype Squad, you know. I mean, I tell you the thing real. Chicago, I tell you the party shot. Right now, the dancehall community, right now, you have enough people to make the thing nice. You see me? I want all the promoters just unite, Hype Squad, All-Star, everybody. You know, prime time, everything. You know what I'm saying? And just come together and make the thing nice because Chicago is a nice place now. It's a big city for good things. You see me? I mean, I tell you, say, the thing can happen. So I'm big up Kingston Grill because they're already on the thing nice.
I want to say, big up DH. X amount of respect to your road boy because tonight you come out off your own free will and come party with the people, do your videotaping, shot your thing, and all because of love and unity and you go be bird strong. Me personally do it, me respect that from my heart. I come tonight, burn a fire, fuck up in the sun, and I'm from love, unity. That me I talk about. If we come together and work as a team, we can move mountains. That's the only problem we have in the dance hall. And like me tell you before, the reason for that is because we don't have the environment. So you find say a big cut short go on, promoters show dance from promoters dance. Man a fight against man. Man a show man flies in a garbage and blame other promoters. All them things they must stop. We don't know what do them thing there. And when time people do that, it reflect back on the dancer like promoters are fight against promoters. So all them something must stop it. Because when I show a promoter flyers in the garbage, it look like it's our next promoter. Right now the word in the street, we never go around it. Hype Squad is the number one. You see me down one love. Like the word is in the street. And even me say it on the internet. So Hype Squad is the number one promoters in Chicago in the dancehall scene right now. And me say it, it's everywhere. And when time people show flyers in the garbage from other promoters, it reflect on them, man. So people who are doing it to stop it. I love our unity we appreciate. Them man of flyers get thrown in garbage as well. And me personally don't like it. When a promoter go print him flyers and pay for get it in and all them things, it costs money. And when I throw a man flyers in garbage, it costs honor man in the city. We don't need that in the dancehall. I love and strength and unity.
Hear me, you know? Hype Squad say love and unity. The whole away. You see me? The whole away under one another. You see me? That me I say, love and unity we say, one away under one another, and I saw the thing said. You see me? D'Angelo is a member of Hype Squad. So if them this D'Angelo, them this Hype Squad. Them this Richie, them this Hype Squad. Them this Jamstar, them this Hype Squad. It's the same so it's say. You see me? We can't go around it. Nobody else can go around it. Purple and white, sell off, shell off.
I want to clarify something. Just now, an elder come to me and said, D'Angelo, you're the wickedest thing in Chicago. I'll clear up that. So tonight him come, I play something with him not here from 19 how long. I play some D. Brown, some Bob Marley, some Frankie Pass, some Sanchez, some Luciana, some Nitty-Gritty, some Peter, you name it. And so I start me juggling. And the whole night I beside me him there. And he don't stop throwing money on my turntable. I don't know him from nowhere. And the whole night him say, yo my youth, I hears me there at Chicago. And I hears me don't hear them tune there. And tonight him come give me respect and my love. It's right now, people, I'm sure I'm going to dancehall. Dancehall has changed a lot over the years. When I look at where I grew up, them tune I play earlier, them tune me grew up after. You find some a different generation, I come in a dancehall, and the music and the business has been changed. Me as a DJ, me alone can't do it. Me alone can't play with them tune and bring it back into dancehall. We need the whole community as DJ to come together and do it. But now, other DJ doesn't do it. They does. I'm not going to say they doesn't. So at the end of the day, you know what I say D'Angelo say. I don't let everybody dance. But some of the complaint me get with the elder, they must stop come and dance. Them say too much hip-hop and too much cartel and Mavada play. Them can't enjoy themselves. If we come together, we'll go back to roots of our culture. Dancehall is what it was before, and it will be same nice and come back to have it in today's day as far as the cartel and Mavo can blend it in. So people, all me I say, we are juggle, we start off on a page, and tonight, we're going to have different catalog come normally play out, because tonight, a Hugo B birthday. You go be a big man, bigger man than me. So you find yourself play some tune for them man, because them birthday, and a lot of people come out come support him in a female age group. So therefore, I have no choice but to go back in that type of juggling. I love the response when I get tonight from them LL people. Like I say, you, as I look at you, what you know about them tune there? People must know this. I'm from a look about Jamaica, may I play sound, and I just know I'm from long time. See, the music and them tune still living on my heart, and I'm not going nowhere at all. And once I see my people them come up and enjoy themselves, and I see my crowd, I go work with my crowd. But the only problem we have, like I say, we don't have a spot to keep the dance we want to keep and fuck up some place till daylight. Because if the police come like half a thing, what, 3 o'clock, when people just spend the money at the bar. But it's all love. Do I keep up the good work? D'Angelo King, love and respect the job we do. Don't switch, don't sell out, don't stick to the edge image. Rich, look up, brother, that's a youth. I can't even know. It's a look, the youth. One thing say, I'm a brother this. Man, I youth a link every day. I used to have some wide ideas. It's a very powerful youth as young as he may be. But what holding back right now, like I say, we don't have the environment for the things that we want to do. We want to fuck up Chicago some way, but we can't right now. But eventually, that going to happen. It's a vision.
We're not frightened for nobody, but to respect everybody. Big up Hype Squad promotion. All day, every day, we set the thing. Big up Jam Done, big up All-Star, big up Money Changer, big up everybody. Big up everybody. Big up Can Dave and Britney Flex, and all us purple and white.